9 in my experiment. I hope you're doing all well. Thanks to my latest subscriber Tampa Mike. Welcome to the hood, brother. And now let's get started. On hexwin.fun you have an overlook of the Hex wallet, and you can see today is already a nice 10k Hex day in the AA lobby, so over 10k of Ethereum were sent to the AA lobby. And yesterday I was also participating in the AA lobby with 0.0 Ethereum, and I got around 13,000 Hex tokens. So let me just mint those tokens first by clicking exit, and then MetaMask will appear. You can change again if you like the gas fee. Let's go for a fast one today. We're gonna save that and we're gonna confirm the transaction.
1,000 X over a penny.
Boom, already confirmed. In a couple minutes when the transaction is confirmed, I should get my 13,000 Hex token back to my wallet, to the not staked tokens, and I have staked at the moment 14.491 million in Hex tokens totally, and that earned me around 411,000 Hex tokens so far. If you go over to the transformation lobby, you can see that we have already 2 days with 10,000 total Ethereum in the AA lobby. If we're gonna sort this column up here, we have the FOMO day 1 with 20k Ethereum in the AA lobby. And I guess days will be much fun when we will get over 25k of Ethereum per day. People always ask me, why do you use the AA lobby? Yeah, because it's fun, man. You never know how much Ethereum will go into the AA lobby, and if you maybe will get a nice little deal one day. Of course, you can always swap your Ethereum to Hex tokens on Uniswap. It's a lot cheaper. On the AA lobby, you will get an extra 10% with hexwin.fun. On Uniswap you will pay a little bit of slippage, a less fee, and for 1 Ethereum you will get at the moment 60,000 Hex tokens. On the AA lobby you will get at the moment for 1 Ethereum 47,000 Hex tokens compared to the 60,000 Hex tokens on the Uniswap, but you just keep in mind that the Uniswap exchange will do some arbitrage as well. People will adjust the price of the Hex tokens on the Uniswap exchange, and it's of course your decision if you would like to get an extra 10% over here, or if you're gonna instantly swap some Hex tokens if you need them right now. I suggest you're gonna use Uniswap exchange. So all good with that. I hope I could resolve the questions for you guys. And now let's keep on having a look on the hexwin.fun wallet. On the tab stake, if I gonna all the way down, you can see I have now staked 14.491 million Hex tokens. I have a decent share rate, and at the big payday at the moment I would get 37 million Hex tokens. Down here you have the stake history with the closed stakes, so I'm pretty sure I have a stake. If I'm gonna scroll up in here, I'm gonna have a stake that will close in a couple days. Yes, in a couple days from now, the 1st of May, I'm gonna end my stake with 20k Hex tokens again. Hex.live with icons. We can see now we are trading at position 34 in the crypto space, and we surpassed the market cap of 500 million US dollars. We are sitting now at 580 million US dollars and have a total locked US dollar value of 181 million for 4.58 years at the moment. We have a nice little market update. US dollar Hex value is up 15%. The Hex Bitcoin value sits around 42 Satoshis, and the Hex Ethereum value is around 1,658 Vitalis per Hex. Bitcoin in the meantime went up to 8.2k, so a nice little pump as well, and a stable pump in the Ethereum world. And we can see now with all the Hex tokens I staked 14.5 million in total. I have a nice 50,000 US dollar value. It went just up crazy. You can see how much it went up by clicking on the market, and you see your return of investment, a 61x in US dollar terms, a 56x in Bitcoin terms, and even a 40x in Ethereum terms. On the uniswap.hex.vision chart, on the Hex Ethereum pair, you can see we almost hit it, the new all-time high. If you're going to change up here from Hex to USDC, you can see we already hit the new all-time high, so we are currently in a new all-time high in dollar values, and I guess Ethereum and Bitcoin values will keep up as well. You can see now we are sitting over 190,000 Ethereum addresses with some HEX tokens in it. And if we're gonna have a look at the staking from the last day, gonna update that, we had around 317 stakes there were closed, and we have now new 117,000 open stakes with a total value of 52.3 billion HEX tokens. On the penalty side, we're gonna update the chart as well, and we see we have so far 803,000 HEX tokens in penalties, so that's a nice little amount for the origin address and as well for the big payday. On the Uniswap exchange, we already had a look. For 1 Ethereum, you will get around 60k HEX tokens. So let's go to the pool, select the HEX token, and we can see in the pool right now 34,000 Ethereum and 20.8 billion HEX tokens. So really nice to see that we have a nice little liquidity. You can also go on uniswap.info, click on the HEX token, and you can see we have a total volume in the last 24 hours of 3.6 million US dollars and a total liquidity now over $14.2 million. It's amazing to see a nice pool of liquidity. You can buy, you can sell your tokens as you wish. No middleman, no KYC, no AML. So all good. Just enjoy the beautiful technology of the Uniswap exchange. If we're gonna have a look at Coin Paprika, we don't have to scroll that down. We see on position 34 we have the HEX token with the half of the market cap. If we would have the market cap combined with the origin address, we would sitting around 500 million US dollars. So that would be around under IOTA or up IOTA, but for some reason they decided just to take the half of it. It's all good with me. We're gonna fight up the ladder and we're gonna reach the top 20 and the top 10 coins probably soon. No financial advice. On charts.cointrader Pro, you can see we have now made from the early 2020 a 4,000% move compared to the other coins like Bitcoin and some other altcoins. So it will be really hard to catch up here again, but the altcoin season will come again after the next halving. So keep in mind, we will have a fight as well down here, but HEX is just skyrocketing at the moment. If we're gonna go back to hexwin.fun, you can see I minted my tokens from yesterday and I have now 90,700 HEX tokens in total in my wallet. So I'm almost prepared for a next new stake. And with that, we are already by the end of this video. If you found some value in it, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That would be really appreciated. If you have a question, leave a comment down below. Stay safe, have a great day, and see you in the next one. Peace.